Hey there, friend. How's it going? Well, I just seen a post on a food truck page where a person's asking about where they can get something fixed. And sometimes the mindset of I can't do that gets pretty engraved in our brains. And I've learned that you before you get that engraved in your brain, you got to realize there is a plethora, I think that's how you say it, plethora of information out there on the internet. YouTube is your best friend. Honestly, make, model, and maybe serial number on the item that you're trying to fix and look it up on YouTube. The particular person has a blender base and I don't know what's wrong with it. It's just a wild guess. It's probably going to be brushes, not bushings, but brushes. A lot of times that's what goes in electric motors these days. So you flip the thing over, you undo probably 4 or 5, maybe 6 screws, pull the casing apart. I mean, YouTube, make, model, serial number. I didn't know the first thing about food trucking. I mean, I built this big trailer over here from the ground up, and I mean from the ground up. The trailer, the frame, the whole 9 yards. I didn't know what I was doing, but hey, got her done. I didn't have a garage, so my buddy helped me out downstate. We put it together in his garage and got it up here, and I finished it. I've had this truck February, I think it was. I went downstate. It was completely full of shelves and stuff. I've got this side stripped. I got to pull all the styrofoam out. I'm working on taking all this out on this side. And then I'm going to take all this out. I got a guy that's going to spray foam the inside of this box. I want to get it nice and tight for winter use. But hey, I didn't know what I was doing. All I know is that I had to strip the inside of this completely out. And once it's completely stripped out, it's all uphill from there. So, like I say, before you say you can't, tell yourself you can. And maybe things will progress a little quicker. And I mean, basic tools. A basic tool set. You can get a basic tool set, and you can start taking things apart and figure out how things work. That's how you learn. I mean, I honestly never knew anything about diesel engines, and then I got a 2015 F350 dually extended cab, and you look at it and say, oh, that screw has to come out. Oh, that bolt has to come out. I had to replace the motor in it. 3 months after, 3 months, roughly, 4 months, I had to replace the motor that was in it because the engine was crap. $36,000, and then drove it for 3 months and had to drop another 20 grand into it because, yeah, anyways. But such is life. Keep on moving. Keep on going. I've rambled on long enough. I got to get back to work here. I got to drill every single rivet out in order to get these panels out of here. Same with the ceiling. I got to drill all the rivets out of there too. Hey, have a God bless. Have a blessed day. Use my words. Anyways, yeah, I mean, God does bless us in special ways. Some of us just automatically have knowledge, and some of us need to learn the knowledge. I mean, some of us have mechanical aptitude. That's a, $20 word? But, yeah, anyways, Have a good one, my friend.